And the big story this hour, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has apprised Parliament of the current situation at Eastern Ladakh. The Defence Minister said that sustained talks with China have led to an agreement on disengagement on the north and south banks of Pangong Lake. He added that after this agreement, India and China will remove forward deployments in a phased, coordinated manner. The Defence Minister further said that Indian forces have bravely faced the challenges at the border. Rajnath said that India has made it clear to China that no attempt should be made to change the status quo. A slight disengagement has taken place between our troops and Chinese troops from the contentious finger areas of the Pangong Lake. China's troops are moving back to Finger 8. Our troops are pulling back to the Dhan Singh Thapa post. This between Finger 2 and Finger 3. The disengagement will take place in a phased manner and no patrolling will take place on Finger 4 from both sides. That's the agreement that's been reached upon. The decision is based on a consensus that's been reached in the 9th Corps Commander level talks and the subsequent meetings between the ground level commanders. This is the 4th time disengagement is taking place since July last year.
कि चीन द्वारा पिछले वर्ष अप्रैल मई 2020 के दौरान ईस्टर्न लद्दाख की सीमा के समीप भारी संख्या में शस्त्र बल तथा गोला बारूद आदि इकट्ठा कर लिया गया था। चीन द्वारा एलएसी के आसपास कई बार ट्रांसग्रेशन का भी प्रयास किया गया था। हमारी सशस्त्र सेनाओं ने उन सभी प्रयासों के दृष्टिगत उपयुक्त जवाबी कार्रवाई की थी। राष्ट्र के साथ इस सदन ने भी उन वीर भारतीय सैनिकों को श्रद्धांजलि दी थी जिन्होंने भारत की सीमा की रक्षा करते हुए अपना बलिदान दिया था। आज मैं इस सदन को कुछ और महत्वपूर्ण डेवलपमेंट्स के बारे में बताना। सामरिक दृष्टि से महत्वपूर्ण कई क्षेत्रों को चिन्हित कर हमारी सेनाएं कई पहाड़ियों के ऊपर तथा हमारे दृष्टिकोण से उपयुक्त अन्य क्षेत्रों पर भी मौजूद हैं। भारतीय सेनाएं अत्यंत बहादुरी से लद्दाख की ऊंची दुर्गम पहाड़ियों तथा कई मीटर बर्फ के बीच में भी सीमाओं की रक्षा करते हुए अडिग हैं और इसी कारण हमारा एज बना हुआ है। सभापति महोदय, हमारी सेनाओं ने इस बार भी यह साबित करके दिखाया है कि भारत की संप्रभुता एवं अखंडता की रक्षा करने में वे सदैव हर चुनौती से लड़ने के लिए तत्पर हैं और अनवरत कर रहे हैं। सभापति महोदय, पिछले वर्ष से मिलिट्री एंड डिप्लोमेटिक लेवल पर चीन के साथ हमारा संबंध बना रहा है। इस बातचीत में हमने चीन को यह बताया है कि 3 सिद्धांतों के आधार पर हम इस समस्या का समाधान चाहते हैं। फर्स्ट, दोनों पक्षों द्वारा एलएसी को माना जाए और उसका आदर किया जाए। दूसरा, किसी भी पक्ष द्वारा यूनिलैटरली स्टेटस को बदलने का प्रयास न किया जाए। तीसरा, सभी समझौतों का दोनों पक्षों द्वारा पूर्ण रूप से पालन किया जाए। सभापति महोदय, फ्रिक्शन क्षेत्रों में डिसएंगेजमेंट के लिए भारत का यह मत है कि 2020 की फॉरवर्ड डिप्लॉयमेंट जो एक दूसरे के बहुत नजदीक हैं वे दूर हो जाएं और दोनों सेनाएं वापस अपनी अपनी स्थायी या मान्य चौकियों पर वापस लौट जाएं। सभापति महोदय, बातचीत के लिए हमारी स्ट्रेटेजी तथा अप्रोच माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के इस दिशा निर्देश पर आधारित है कि हम अपनी 1 इंच जमीन भी किसी और को नहीं लेने देंगे। हमारे दृढ़ संकल्प का ही यह फल है कि हम समझौते की स्थिति पर पहुंच गए हैं। इन दिशा निर्देशों के दृष्टिगत सितंबर 2020 से लगातार मिलिट्री एंड डिप्लोमेटिक लेवल पर दोनों पक्षों में कई बार बातचीत हुई है कि इस डिसएंगेजमेंट का म्यूचुअली एक्सेप्टेबल तरीका निकाला जाए। अभी तक सीनियर कमांडर्स के स्तर पर 9 राउंड्स की बातचीत हो चुकी है। राजनयिक स्तर पर भी WMCC यानी वर्किंग मैकेनिज्म फॉर कंसल्टेशन एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ इंडिया चाइना बॉर्डर अफेयर के तहत भी बैठकें होती रही हैं। सभापति महोदय, मुझे सदन को यह बताते हुए खुशी हो रही है कि हमारे इस अप्रोच तथा सस्टेन्ड टॉक्स के फलस्वरूप चीन के साथ पैंगोंग लेक के नॉर्थ एवं साउथ बैंक पर डिसएंगेजमेंट का समझौता हो गया है।
And let me take this across now to Kamaljeet Sandhu for more details. Kamaljeet, as the Defence Minister said, the agreement right now is that China and Chinese troops go back to Finger 8. Indian troops are at the permanent base of Finger 3. If you could just put that in context for us, was that the situation before this standoff at the LAC? Was that the status quo ante?
Well, the major breakthrough has been announced by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, talking about disengagement and finally a pullback in a phased, verified and coordinated manner. Now, yes, remember, before this entire controversy really began and the standoff began, Finger 4 to Finger 8 was an area where troops of both the Chinese PLA and the Indian troops would patrol. This was in a sense a no man's land, and both sides have claimed this to be their territory. However, during the standoff is the Chinese PLA who moved in several quarters inside, and that is where the controversy began, when the Indian troops challenged them. And yes, they did manage to gain various vantage points, which Rajnath Singh talked about. Now, this has been in the eye of the storm and a controversy at its best, because the opposition did question whether the Chinese troops had in fact intruded and captured several kilometers of the Indian area. Now, Rajnath Singh has said that there is going to be a pullback, and the location of the Indian troops will be well within the Finger 3 area. This is at the Dhanbad Singh post, and the Chinese troops will pull back at Finger 8. This is the status quo ante. Now, he's also listed out 3 procedures that both need to respect the LAC, both need to have a status quo ante, and they need to work together on various treaties. Now, remember, this mutual trust and respect has been gained after a prolonged diplomatic and military tries, where WMCC is where the Corps Commander level talks also went on. And yes, it's a major breakthrough. Remember, more than 8 months of tension between both sides. Rajnath Singh also elucidating how the Chinese troops were very well prepared, getting in arms, ammunition, additional troops, and India mirroring that. So the challenge of taking on the Chinese troops, and in a many sense, I would say the Chinese PLA troop bluff has been called off, because remember, this is the tactics which has been used many a times, that it came in from the China side, trying to engage in what they thought was India's unprepared response. But India not only challenged them, has now managed to push them back, and this has been done through diplomatic and military ties. Remember, this has gone on for several months now. The LAC turning out to be a LOC where both sides had mirror images in terms of armies, man and ammunition, everything being put on the ground. So clearly, the agreements are, especially both on the north and south, and saying patrolling in these particular areas will be suspended till the time both sides decide in a military and diplomatic way as to what the next steps are. So clearly, a big breaking news coming in.
Yes,
Rajnath
but
Singh
Kamalji, is this, you know, when you talk about disengagement and phased disengagement at that, is this right now restricted only to Pangong area, or are there dialogues, discussions underway for other parts as well?
See, Rajnath Singh also mentioned that there were other outstanding issues which both sides should look into. And this is where the engagement has paid dividends. Remember, at no point of time did India really back off, nor did they give up the fight. So yes, now that the Chinese have been put on a back foot in many sense, this is going to be an important area, because remember, China has not only caused trouble in eastern Ladakh, they're also looking at Arunachal. We've seen skirmishes or standoff or other situation which may make it more uncomfortable for both the sides. Now remember, this is a lesson learned for the Chinese PLA as well, that yes, their move will be countered, and Indian troops, obviously, the dedication again coming into the Galwan Brave, at least 20 Indian soldiers who had lost their life, including Colonel Santosh. So that dedication coming in, but clearly India emphatic, not just by arms, men and ammunition, but also using its means, its global power, its diplomatic and military ties to ensure that there was a peaceful resolution, that there was peace and tranquility which is maintained at the LAC. The onus clearly now lies on both the sides.
Absolutely. I just want to break down what exactly we mean by disengagement. What did Rajnath Singh say, particularly at the Pangong Lake, which has been an area which has seen a lot of tense skirmishes, which has been a big standoff point. So as per what the Defence Minister has